Hi guys, this is a little tutorial on how to use the pizza oven. This takes a little bit of time, but it's super fun, and if the weather is kind of okay, it's super fun to play around with. It just, you can cook everything from meat. It's super good for baking, and then of course it's killer for pizzas. Once you get it going, you can do perfect pizzas in around a minute and a half to 2 minutes per pizza, and it's super fun for the whole family to play around with. We can highly recommend trying it out, but let me show you how it works. So we have these tools, by the way, in the shed. There's this thing for getting the soot out, this thing for cleaning the floor, and then this thing for taking stuff in and out. So what you want to start out with is just cleaning the floor. So that was all the leftovers. And I normally just brush it off. Getting out the old ash. And once it's clean, we'll start making a fire. So once again, you need kind of 3 of these briquettes. The wooden ones, not the petroleum ones. These need to be the wooden fibers, otherwise you'll pollute your food. And then we need to build a bonfire. So you need to chop up a little bit of wood in around 5 centimeter sticks, not too thick, otherwise they'll take a little bit longer in heating, and heat is what you want here. So the fastest way to do it is just to place 2, and then place 3 or 4 sticks going the other way, like this, and maybe like this. And then you want to take the trusty flamethrower again, and again light it at the bottom, and just kind of leave it to heat up the wood for 30 seconds to a minute and a half. So you really want to get the fire going. So I'll kind of stop now since we won't be cooking today. But in essence, just leave this to burn, and then once it picks up and the fire gets going, you might want to just touch it a little bit with the fire, but you want to let it reach around 300 degrees. Once it's really hot, because what you want to need to is to put a lot of heat into the base, especially if you're cooking pizza. You want to get the base really hot, so around 300 degrees, and then you push the fire to the side, and then you add sticks on top, keeping it at around 300. And once you move the fire to the side after 10 minutes maybe, you need the door that you then put on. And then you press the door completely on one side, and you leave it 2 centimeters to 3 centimeters open here, so that the air will come in on the side of the fire, and that will make the other side extremely hot. And just remember to brush it off once it heats up. You just want to brush all the soot over there, and then put in the pizzas. Actually, what you can do is just Google Alpha 5 Minuti on YouTube, and then you'll find a ton of amazing tutorial videos on how to do this stuff. It's super fun. We can highly recommend it.